Okay, first there are many methods to just start chain stitch. Okay, I'll teach you the method which I am using. Take this finger, take this finger, okay, put the yarn over it. Okay, 2 to 3 times you can put, like this it will look. Okay, then take the hook, okay, twist the needle. Okay, it will come somewhat like this. Then yarn over, put the needle inside the hole. Okay, see, make it tight. Then do the same method, yarn over, put inside the hole, yarn over, put inside the hole, yarn over, put inside out, inside out. Okay, in yarn over, inside out. Okay, and this is how it looks, your chain stitch. So with this chain stitch, I end my first crochet class. See you in my next class. Thank you.